Hello everyone! Today in this video I'm going to show you other properties of Mobius strips. Here I have two regular strips of paper and I am going to glue them to form circular strips. So let me do the first one. See, I have glued them to form a circular strip, and now comes the second one. But before gluing the two ends, I'm going to give this end a twist, a 180-degree twist. And after I glue it, what I have here is no longer a normal round strip of paper, but a unique topological object called a Mobius strip. And this strip has properties that are very different from this one. And I am going to illustrate this today by cutting them with scissors. First thing I'm going to do is I am going to cut the regular strip around its circumference close to the edge. So I'm going to do this here. So when I cut a regular strip close to the edge, what I get is two strips of the same diameter, but one is wider than the other one. The other one's thinner. This is what I get when I cut a regular circular strip. When I cut, now let's see what happens when I cut a Mobius strip. Along its edge. So here I go. I'm cutting now the Mobius strip close to the edge. It takes a while, but we're getting there. Okay, so when you cut a Mobius strip close to its edge along the circumference, you get a smaller but wider strip and a longer but thinner one. Compare that to what I get when I cut a regular strip. Isn't that cool? They're so different. Now let's get rid of the smaller strips and then ask the question, what happens when we cut these strips, the normal strip, normal circular strip, and the Mobius strip around the middle? So I'm going to cut this strip, the normal strip, around the middle. And what I get is, as you probably expected, two identical strips. Now what happens when I cut the Mobius strip around its middle? What I get is one twisted strip. When I cut the normal strip, I get two. When I cut the Mobius strip down its middle, I get one strip. And if you recall, if I cut it around the edge, I would get two strips. But if I do it by the middle, I get one strip. Now there is one last question. What happens when we cut the Mobius, this resulting strip down its middle? I'm not gonna do that for the regular strip because you know what's gonna happen. We're gonna get two identical strips if I cut it down the middle. Whereas what I'm gonna try to do now, although it's a bit tricky because it's small, I'm gonna see what happens when I cut this strip down its middle. And here we go. We're getting there. It's a bit tricky. So what happens is that we get two strips, but I'm gonna see if I can show them to you properly. Let me see. Whoop. Wait a minute. Now I need to do some twisting here. And I need to do one last twist. And this is what happens when you cut that last strip down the middle. You get two strips that are intertwined. They cross over each other 2 times. Okay? So if you want to check the reason why this is the case, please check. Oh, we have here a science cat that is helping us. You know that cats are attracted to Mobius strips. So if you want to check the reason why Mobius strips work this way, check the description of this video, and also please check my blog, Ratio Scientae. Thank you very much. And Science Cat is here.